Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the walking journey here. I'm your host here, Anthony. I'm making this like a kind of like a help video, kind of like maybe expose kind of help the consumer out, because right now, let me tell you what's going on with me. I'm in the market for a new car for my family. I'm planning to buy me an off-road all off-roading sports utility vehicle with a truck chassis. I'm planning to put I'm gonna use my income tax, plus I'm planning to put like $8,000 in cash, so I'm gonna be putting total of $20,000 down payment. My current credit score at the moment is 812. I have very established credit. I don't owe nothing on my credit. Matter of fact, I just paid off my credit card yesterday. So you probably think I have perfect credit, but no, I've made mistakes in the past with my credit. So if you guys are more interested in watching how did I achieve my credit score, let me know in the comment section, and I'll help you out guys out with that. So anyways, I'm starting out a new journey here, how I'm financing my car. The only reason I'm financing it because the car that I'm interested costs $82,000 out of the dealer. It's a planning to get me either a 2017, hopefully 2020 Toyota Land Cruiser. They even got a heritage package, but that's gonna bring it up to $100,000. Now, you guys, why I'm making that kind of an investment? I'm doing it for my family. I'm a Land Cruiser enthusiast. I have the income coming in for it. I don't even pay rent or mortgage, so I got the disposable income for this, and plus I got a special needs daughter. I want something that I've had since it's new, so I know it's maintenance history, and I'm gonna try to pay it off as soon as possible. Anyways, either I'm considering taking the route of just saving up for the car, but let me tell you what's going on right now. I'm not. This video's not about what I want and I don't want, but the thing is, I'm currently banking with Capital One, and they originally bought out my bank, ING Direct, and that's the only reason why I got a checking account, which about a year ago I didn't even know I had a checking account. To be honest with you, I haven't had a checking account in over 10 years, but ING Direct bought them out. They left the United States, and I didn't even know what happened to my account or my savings until I pull up my credit report, and my line of credit was still showing up from my ING Direct. So I called the phone number on my credit report, and I had to track down who has my account and where is it at, which I completely forgot about it, to be honest with you guys. So I found out Capital One has it, and they grandfather me in. I got free checking, no fees, nothing, something you're not gonna get coming off the street. So anyways, making the story short, I feel like, well, I've worked hard to establish my credit. I've taken care of it. I feel like I should have a saying, what is my interest rate and where do I buy a car? Instead of going to the bank and going to the dealer and I don't know what I'm getting myself into. I should have a saying in my interest rate. So I want to get the lowest possible interest rate, which right now the current market value is just 2.99 APR percent on a vehicle. So I called the Capital One on the phone, and they told me, oh, you have to get pre-qualified, blah blah blah. We cannot tell you the interest. I'm like, why can't you tell me the interest? I am the customer, the consumer, and you guys are the salesman. And I thought to myself, well, I'm in the point that I have a low interest rate. I got money coming in. I got savings. I should be able to dictate a little bit, right? So guess this is what I found out today. So I was talking to the young lady over there at the Capital One here in Conroe, and I actually, I first, was talking to her, you know what I mean, building trust, and then she told me the truth. Listen now, guys, for all of you interested in a new car, and you bank with Capital One, or you're thinking of going through Capital. So she tells me the truth. I go, look, I want the 2.99 APR interest rate, which is the market value. I go, my credit score is 815. I told her, and I don't owe any money, so I feel like I should be able to choose my interest rate in the car that I want. She goes, oh, that's not how we do it. You have to get pre-qualified, and then we're going to give you a list of cars that you are able to purchase. I go, list of cars? Yes, we're going to give you a list of cars, and off that list, you get to choose the car that you want out of that list. And we only bank with certain dealers that we have trade agreements or some crap like that. So she's like, we don't do small deals. I go, well, I already know the car that I want. Oh, well, like I said, she said, you have to get pre-qualified. So I asked for more questions, and to make it the story short, and in other words, she told me, they'll give you a list of cars. Yet the first kid pre-qualified, which I didn't even ask her what are the pre-qualifications. To me, I don't want to hear it anyways, because my situation. I don't know your situation, but let me know in the comment section what it is, and if you have to deal with them on this. So she told me, no, we're gonna give you a list of cars and a list of dealers that we go through. So what if they only deal with Nissan and Honda, an example, right? Or Mitsubishi. I don't want a Mitsubishi, I don't want a Honda, and I don't want a Nissan, right? An example. I didn't ask which dealers they go with, but that's pretty much what they're saying. She's like, and we're going to give you a list of cars, and you have to choose from that list. I'm sorry, guys, but honestly, that sounds like a very crappy situation. That is not a buyer's market, and that's not how you treat customers. All right? What should you care? What? And that's another thing she told me. Oh, and she told me too. It depends on the model, if it's new or used, and the model of the car and the brand determines the interest rate. No, I don't think so. Guys, be very careful with these vicious car loans, and it seems like they're in cahoots with other people, and this shouldn't be like that. Shouldn't we live in a country where we get to choose what we want to purchase, even if it's on a loan? You know, it's like if you ask me for $1, oh sir, can I borrow $1? Or can I have $1? I'm not gonna ask you what are you gonna do with $1, or you can only spend it at this store, or buy it, or use it at that candy machine, or use it at that soda machine. And out of the soda machine, you could only buy orange, Coke, and Sprite. It doesn't work that way. If I let you borrow $1, you're gonna be able to go spend it where you want. So I would encourage each and one of you, do your research. I'm gonna go check out the credit union, the local credit union. I still got my credit union through California, Downey Federal Credit Union, but they told me that I have to register the car in California. I don't think so. I'm about to close the account over there for sure. And I'm going to see if I can open one here. I'm asking what are the interests. Because the credit union is the best way to go. Unless you want to go to the dealer. But what they're going to want to do is add like a warranty, which is the biggest ripoff ever, roadside assistant. And sometimes they add other crap that I don't even know. You won't even know what it is, and I don't know what it is. The only thing that I would encourage each of you, I would honestly tell you is get a gap insurance. It's only a one-time fee. That's it. Don't like I'm gonna get a Land Cruiser. It's over-engineered. I don't need a warranty. I had a warranty for this car when I bought it new. Biggest mistake ever, because the dealers don't really make money off of the car. I don't know if you guys knew that. They don't make money off of selling a car, even if you buy cash. And FYI, for cash buyers, a lot of dealers, I've had this in the past, I've purchased cars cash. They will not take cash in any of these dealers, even if it's in the bank. They don't want your money. They want you to do a loan. And if you go through the like I say, if you go through the dealer, you don't know what bank you're going to be approved, and you don't know your interest rate. The interest rate is very important. You want the lowest interest rate and the highest down payment as possible. And just get gap insurance, and that's it. And they don't want to budge, get the hell out of the dealer. So I'm shopping around. Let me know, guys, what has been your experience with Capital One. So I just thought I'd give you guys a heads up on Capital One and a warning. And Capital One is a crummy bank, and the credit cards have very high interest rates. So be very careful on that. Anyways, comment, rate, subscribe. Jesus loves you. I love you. More videos to come. Smash the like button, please, guys. Please, please, please. And let me know your experience. Comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know in the comment section. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Hiya.